I'm Susan. Today I am making something that I love making, but I've never made this type. It is a poke cake. And you make your cake, you poke your holes, you pour your filling, top it with something. And this is going to be a cinnamon roll poke cake, and it just sounds really good. I love anything cinnamon, and my oldest son is the same way, so I'm anxious to give this a try. And it's got a nice cream cheese frosting. I have a feeling this one's going to be a keeper. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're doing great. So without further ado, let's get started. For the cake, you'll need a white cake mix and the ingredients it takes to make the white cake mix. You'll need a 9x13 cake pan or baking dish and cooking spray. And you want to bake the cake as directed. Okay, for our filling, we need a can of sweetened condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, a half a cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of kosher salt. In a medium bowl, you want to mix your butter and your sweetened condensed milk, your brown sugar, your cinnamon, and your pinch of salt. And you just want to whisk it together really well and set it aside. For the frosting, you'll need a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese softened, 4 tablespoons of butter softened, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of kosher salt. In a mixing bowl, you want to add your heavy cream. And I put my bowl and my whisk in the freezer just for a few minutes just to kind of get it cold. And you want to whip it until stiff peaks form. Now I just poured this up into a different bowl so that I could use my mixing bowl again. Now you want to whip your cream cheese and your butter until there are no lumps. Once smooth, add in your powdered sugar and whip it until it's all combined. Be sure and scrape down your bowl. Now add in your vanilla and your pinch of salt. Here you'll want to fold in your whipped cream. I almost messed up and forgot. Now take your cake and a wooden spoon handle and poke holes all through your cake. You'll want to top it with your filling, and you want to use a spatula and kind of push it down through the holes the best you can. Now you'll want to top it with your frosting. And here you see I realized I was supposed to have folded that into my other cream cheese mixture. So I do that now, and you just want to spread it out over your cake. Once you get your cake frosted, you'll want to put it in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes before cutting. And here she is.
She was really good. I had directions from both of my sons not to lose this recipe either. It's definitely a keeper. I had a little bit of problem getting it out. I tipped my cake over, so it's not such a pretty picture there. But you can see the little holes where the icing scooped down. I highly recommend you try this. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.